A red zone is the heartbeat of the production.
We projected 77 million pounds for the year. As of today, we're already 5 million pounds over budget.
С помощью Кайзена мы улучшили время мытья машины с 4 часов до 1 часа.
En Natural Touch, desde que comenzamos a utilizar el programa de Redzone, incrementamos un 21% de producción en 90 días.
And our next winner of the 90-Day Productivity Uplift Award is Nature's Touch. At Nature's Touch, Redzone is the voice of their shop floor, and I don't just mean that metaphorically. The employees that make up this Montreal-based team directly reflect the diversity of their local community, with no less than 7 different languages being spoken on their shop floor. Whoa, 7. In a space previously fraught with miscommunication or no communication at all, this team found common ground in the shared language of Redzone. Now, Ion told us how setting goals with green bars and calling for action with red icons communicates expectations visually while also spurring competition for their Team of the Month award. Now, Fredo, you used the words game changer when explaining to us how even your operators with little or no technical vocabulary can use photos and videos to call out problems and request help. Now, as of September, Nature's Touch Montreal was beating their target unit per cost metric, as well as exceeding your forecast production number by over 5 million pounds. That's a win that needs no translation. Incroyable, félicitations.
Merci beaucoup.